Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Hope you're having a good weekend. Mine has been okay. Went to church today and it was really nice. I enjoyed myself very much. I'm going to do my savings challenges for the first week of March, and I usually have £140, but I do have an extra £25 today because I'm not quite sure if you remember, January my internet went down. They credited me back £25 out of my monthly direct debit. I have got the extra £25 here. Let me just check. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then £20 here makes 165. Right, so that's 165. I am so happy that I got that £25 extra. I weren't happy that my internet had gone down, but all fair and well. I did borrow my neighbour's Wi-Fi, but I have a problem again because my internet went down last week, and thank God I had her internet, so I was able to upload my videos. But they're coming tomorrow, the engineers, to see what's going on, so I'm hoping that everything will be back to normal as usual from tomorrow. I'm going to start with my savings challenges from last year, and the 3 months challenge that I have, the last 3 boxes are £60 each. I did £30 last week. I halved it, so I'm going to put another £30 in for this week, and I'll just mark that off. That's £30 marked off. Right, and my Sagittarius challenge will get £10. I'm going to do the letters for £10. I'll do that in purple. Let's find my purple. £10. Mark that off. £10 for that. Two of my favorite colors, pink and purple. Then we have the luck of the draw. Oh, I forgot, I didn't take out my cards and my dice. I'll just get that. Here's my cards. Let's have a look. Let's have a shuffle and see what we come up with. Two of clubs. So we've got clubs somewhere there. Let's just have a look, see where the clubs are. I am actually running out of clubs, I think. I've got a lot of spades. but not much clubs left. Let's have a look. Black. So we've got spades all along here. Spades, we've got 1 clubs here. Mark that off. And that will be £5 because below 5 is £5, above 5 is 10. Put £5 in there. And we'll put the used one back in the pouch. That won't be used again. That's done. Then we've got to roll the dice. I'll get my dice out for that. Let's go. So I usually use an orange, green and orange because of the theme. I've kept it as green and orange. And let's just get the pencils out and roll. 6 and 4. That's a lovely number. Love that. Let's see now. We've got 4 here. Great, so that's 10. Roll again. That's 3 and 2. And that is £5. Lovely. That's great. That was £15, and I'll use the orange for the roll the dice double the savings challenge. That went into the jar. If I get lower than a 6, then I will roll twice. If I get a 6, then I'll only roll once, and that's done. That one's finished with. This is the current binder, and I'm going to colour in green for March. I'm going to do 20 for this one. Lovely. 20 for that one. I'm going to leave the 20, save 20, 23 for the end, and I will be putting 15 in for this one. I'll just put 15 and get the yellow, the little calves, and I will be saving £200 once this is finished. 15 goes in. And then my 52-week challenge, I'm going to put, let's have a look, see what we've got here. We've got 20, 40, 50. I'm going to put 10 in here, and I'll just get the orange, put 10. There we go, £10. And then for my Save 2023, let's see what we can do with this £40. Let's have a look. See, got 40 here. Pink, purple, pink, purple, pink, purple, pink. And that will be coloured in pink. £40. That's great. And let's see what we've got left over in coins. We've got 2, 4, 6, £8 left over in coins. That's the rollover for next week. So I don't think I'm not going to do any coins for next week. I'm not going to change up any money for next week. This is plenty for roll the dice. 2, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I don't need to change up any coins for next week. Roll the dice. I have got plenty here. And that is that. Thank you so much for your company, and take care of your good selves, and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.